Ki khubor ka Bnss TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore. Ka khot admission nakabenta ka nursing but paramedical course. Ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council. Ka buy admission ka badunatam. But she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
I don't want to confront you guys. I don't want to confront this one. I'm giving you 5 minutes. I'm giving you 5 minutes to disperse from here. Otherwise, we are going to go.
Tang hapok katukan ni kenta bagi dekat sang bahalang kibadan hapok Kshatri jong Confederation of Meghalaya Social Organization kila tur pajba sekretariat ban pertasla ya ke jingdawa ya ke inline permit ke district magistrate jong ke East Khasi Hills district ke kong RM Kurba hak khalai tri ujulio araja afsan kala Pynjari dek section shispa and repulai jong ke Bnss ke bamana ya ginu gibrio lani kenhun ban pelong ya ke jingki ne banyak rally hapo arspa mitar na ke Meghalaya Secretariat building ke additional secretariat building bat garage bawan Shillong. Kalkum kini ke hukum lamana bandra gitiar peminsau ni kini gitiar ki balaan pendankam kum gitiar ki balaan bu jingma neban peminsau ye kini brio ke hukum bala Pynjari kala maham ru bagi gini bu Pynkheiñ kini ke hukum ken ngat ha jingsha pinstam hapo ki kendon jok section arspa arpulai jok Bnss ban ha ki we kendon ki bedai ban pengat namara bagakam kalong ke bekerki kini ke hukum kentri kam no mardor tat hadu ban pen menada kumwei pat.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.